Hey guys, just a quick video to show you my latest install of keyless entry, remote start, push to start. So no more keys, so if I walk to it without touching anything, it unlocks, walk away, it locks. The other thing I did as well, as you can see, no more keys, just push to start, nice and easy. So obviously as soon as you walk to it, it's going to unlock. Jump in, put the foot on the brake, press once, and it starts up. Nice and easy. Now if you want to turn it off, it's more a security thing, but you just got to hold it a couple of seconds and it's off again. Now my favourite part is right here. Just get a phone, go on this app, log in with your details. You can unlock, sorry, the Wi-Fi signal's a bit far. You can lock it again, and you can start it. Password. And it just stops. Now obviously there is a SIM card in that module. It's very cheap to run. I've topped up $15. It's been going on for a good 2 months now. The other good thing is if you click on here, you can actually track your car. It will give you the exact address, gives you the battery voltage. You can set up geofencing, see the track history, do heaps of other things. So yeah, not bad. Now the last thing, if let's say, I don't know, your key is not working and your phone is flat, or you lost your phone or something, comes with a passcode thing, so you can put your passcode. Press the last one for you, unlocks the car. Put the code back in. Locks again. So yeah, there you go, just a quick demo of push to start, remote start, GPS, all the goodies. Yeah, if you have any questions, just drop them down in